And what is the first thing you wanted to know, to see once arriving in Burundi?
The lake. The lake. I've
Did you
seen
see
it. Yeah, I've
Yeah,
seen
Lake
it.
Tanganyika.
Massive. I thought it was the beach there to remember. No, man, this is a landlocked country. There's actually no beach here. So I've seen it and it's beautiful.
So now if we say that Burundi is the heart of Africa, you can say Burundi is the heart of Africa.
Heart of Africa, 100%.
Clap it.
Okay.
What that thing that you think you can say to people who are watching now that say I don't know Burundi and I don't want to know Burundi?
I think you're missing out.
Okay.
I think you're missing out.
Okay.
First off, you need to know Burundi. You need to visit Burundi.
Yeah.
Even before
You need
I
to visit Burundi, kindly.
I've always wanted to visit Burundi. It has
Oh,
always
wow.
been on my top list
Okay.
of countries to visit. And I think because it's not just about tourism, it's also because I'm more into the presentation and marketing of countries.
Okay.
And Burundi is that country that I've always wanted to come document from the bougie side of it. So yes,